In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of viewing and reading MBOX file using the BitRecover free MBOX viewer. To install the BitRecover free MBOX viewer, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. This tool provides users with add file and add folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the folder containing the MBOX files you want to view. A panel showing the entire structure of selected folder will appear on the left. Click on any of the MBOX file to preview its contents. Select an email to view the message. This tool only displays relevant information in the preview section. Our tool has a section that shows if an email contains attachments. Users also have option to save attachments. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.